Hi there, and welcome to our first video in our online tutorial series for Visart. Today I'm just going to walk you through the basics and help you engineer your first data dashboard. So let's just get started. To access the production site, we just go to dev6.pagos.com/dashboard/. You can sign in with your different social media accounts, or you can sign in with your registered email and password. I suggest everybody get registered just because we're doing a free trial right now, and it's a lot of fun to play around with the product before you actually commit. You can get to see all the things that Visart can do. Now here we have our management console, and under report title you typically have all the applications you've already engineered with some notes and updates to the server. On our left side panel we have applications where we are right now, the import data wizard, and account configurations. Let's go ahead to the import data wizard. Up here labeled is the data curation cycle for our import wizard, and the Visart client supports a host of different file formats. You can pull from your local computer, you can use a web URL, an FTP URL, you can use analysis services, you can pull from social media streams. And one thing I love about the Visart client is that it's really intuitive, so you can just drag and drop a file from your local computer and it should recognize it. I'm more traditional, so I will browse and select. And for you big data folk, we also support large data sets. You just have to make sure it's zipped up before you upload. So we'll go ahead and in report settings, we'll title our dashboard. We'll leave a note. So let's do for video. Here you want to assign to a group or add a group. I'll label myself. Typically in a firm, if you were sharing internally, you'd want to assign this to a department, but since it's just me here, we'll just label me. And here it just specifies whether your fields are titled in the first row. My fields are titled, so we'll go ahead and click next. Now it's just importing the different fields. Should take a second. It's a pretty fast client. And here we have it. So we're moving on. And now we're moving on to edit mode, which is the fun mode, I'd like to call it. And you can do a lot of different things in edit mode, but today we're just going to focus on adding a chart to our dashboard. So here we select chart type, and you go to insert and chart, and then we go to chart type. You see a bunch of different charts here, but we're going to go with the classic bar chart. Interactive just means it calls a modal box that will summarize the values in your visualization. You can label the x-axis, let's label year, and y-axis will do key ID. Now you can group by different fields, you can express in different ways, through count, sum, average, maximum, minimum. We'll stick with count. You can cluster or you can stack. I'm going to keep it clustered. And you can even display horizontally if you'd like, but we'll keep it vertical for now. In a second, we'll see our chart. Here it is. So you can see the graph is skewed right. They've grown pretty consistently over time. Notice the modal box popping up to highlight the values per year. Let's go ahead and add a second chart. Let's add a map to our dashboard. So, for this data set, we'll do USA and counties. We'll make this a USA map. Let's label by state. Let's do base salary, average base salary. Let's see what this looks like. So it's generating the chart right now. We just queried the fields that we wanted and it generates it for us. Really simple, no coding necessary. So we just style the chart. It should redisplay in a second. And there we have it. 2 interactive charts on our dashboard. Really nice, really simple, really easy to make. So we'll go ahead and save that. Everything's saved now, and we'll go ahead and open. Yes, we want to save before we navigate. And there you have it, right under report title, Demo HR Dashboard, Notes for Video, Updates to the Server. There we have it. It's really simple, it's really fun, and this is just the beginning. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel because there are more videos to come, and we're going to explore a lot of cool features coming up, and It'll be a lot of fun. So thank you for joining me today and hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I should get back to you either with a video or right in the comments section, but stay tuned because there are a lot of videos coming. Thank you so much. All right, bye-bye.